To set a trailing stop loss on Schwab, you need to understand what a trailing stop loss is and how it works. A trailing stop loss is an order that automatically adjusts the stop loss price as the price of the security moves in your favor. This allows you to lock in profits while limiting potential losses. First, log into your Schwab account and navigate to the trading platform. You can use either the website or the mobile app to set a trailing stop loss. Once you are logged in, select the account you want to trade with and click on the Trade tab. Next, enter the symbol of the security you want to set a trailing stop loss for and select the order type as sell. Choose the quantity of shares you want to sell and then click on the Advanced Order options. In the Advanced Order options, select Trailing Stop as the order type. You will then need to enter the trailing amount, which is the amount by which the stop loss price will trail the current market price. For example, if you enter 5, the stop loss price will be $5 below the current market price. You also need to select the activation price, which is the price at which the trailing stop loss order will be activated. This is usually the current market price, but you can set it at a different price if you want. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Review Order button to review your order. Make sure all the details are correct, including the symbol, quantity, and trailing amount. If everything is correct, click on the Submit Order button to submit your trailing stop loss order. Your order will now be live and will automatically adjust the stop loss price as the price of the security moves in your favor. It is essential to monitor your trailing stop loss order regularly to ensure it is working as expected. You can do this by logging into your account and checking the status of your order. You can also set alerts to notify you when your order is filled or when the stop loss price is adjusted. In conclusion, setting a trailing stop loss on Schwab is a straightforward process that can help you manage your risk and lock in profits. By following these steps and understanding how trailing stop loss orders work, you can use this powerful tool to improve your trading strategy. Remember to always monitor your orders and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your trading goals.